So today I got this product from TP Kasa. It's a kind of IoT Wi-Fi plug where you can just by giving your like natural on and off commands, you can control your plugs. So I'm already using one from like a year ago. You can see here this one. It works pretty well. The setup is not that hard to get. And right now I bought two more, and let's get started. So as you can see here, I already have one plugged in, and I can't turn it off because my TV is working at the moment. So it's just you just have to plug it in. Here you have to add the device. Smart plugs. It's these ones. Yeah. So next. So as you can see, the light is started blinking here. So it says that if it's blinking like this, then you have to press next. Connect. As you can see, connection successful. And then you have to find your network, and I use this one. I usually use this one, but the 5G. So as you can see, after this you just have to log into your Wi-Fi. So I'm using this one. I have to put password. It's taking some time. I guess it's connected. It's just showing here. Just a moment. Let's see. See, so all the plugs are linked. This is my main plug, which is connected to TV. As you can see here, if I'll press this button and it will turn it off and on. You can do it, you can connect it to Google app too. After this I'm gonna connect my both of the plugs to my Google app home, so that I can give commands and just control it. I don't have to use my phone and all. But yeah, just in case if you want to use your phone, so it's pretty simple. You can even rename it and all, according to your preferences. I really like this product. It's pretty much basic. You don't have to do anything else, and yeah, it does the work done because we don't have the sockets or anything here. Either you have to take the plugs off, or you have to put these things, because we don't have any on-off plugs in here. So for this is pretty good deal. Both of them, they work fine. One of them I've been using from it's been more than a year. Yeah, pretty much sums up everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.